Hey everyone, AMHCosplays here. Just ignore what I'm wearing right now. That's a whole nother story, believe me. But I have an unboxing to do because I stopped at the mailbox before I came here. And, well, it's a package from Kiss Products. As you might know, I used their nails and their lashes for a lot of my cosplays, and now it's time to open and see what they sent. That was easier than I thought it would be. All right, so we'll start off with these. Look at that. Green, I don't know if you can see, there's little flowers on here. So I think I'm gonna use these for poison ivy because they're cool. Black nails, and black nails, one's short and one's long, so I think we've got Salem and Kaneki here. Cool. Oh, more green. Okay, definitely poison ivy. This is cool. Last box. Oh, Halloween. Oh, that is so cool. From Kiss Products, you'll find them at Kiss Products. And I can't say enough about them because I love their stuff. Use them all the time for my cosplays. You can use them for real life too. Thanks very much for watching.